Hi everyone, this is Mad One Jules, and for today we will unbox an Apple Watch Series 4. So in the Philippines, we do not have an official Apple store. What we have is a Power Mac, and make sure when you have your purchases, you have your Infinite card which you can use for points to redeem on your next purchase. So now what we have here is an Apple Watch Series 4 Black Sport Loop. It's already been open. I bought it a few weeks back, but I want to show you guys experience of unboxing an Apple Watch Series 4. So for this series, there is a new way of unboxing. You have two pull-ups on each side, so we'll pull them together and it will reveal a different box which has markings of a different Apple Watches. So you have there the different types and different bands. We have two different boxes. The first box we have is for the Black Sport Loop, which I bought a few weeks back. So just to show you guys. Also, if you notice, there are two separate boxes. This one is for the Black Sport Loop, which is the Apple band I chose. We have the Paperworks as usual. And then we have the Sport Loop, which I'm not going to use for now. So let's proceed on to the Apple Watch. There we have the Apple Watch with the usual Paperworks as well, designed by Apple in California, upside down. Sorry for that. And we have the charger brick. And we have also the charger for the Apple Watch, usual. And the Apple Watch itself that comes with this very slick sleeve that they added. Show you a glimpse on how to navigate through the Apple Watch. We'll use for now my old Apple Watch band, which is a black and I think an apple green one, which I love using since I run a lot, 30 minutes on a daily basis, which is perfect for me because this watch will also help me monitor my activities. So there, this is the current watch face I'm using. Clicking on the second button so that I can navigate through the apps that I've previously opened. Also, for watch faces, you can switch from left to right, wherein it will show you different types of the Apple Watch faces. The chronograph, the newest one for this series. But I'm a minimalist myself, so I'll use this one. So click on the ring crown. There you have the honeybee type that they say display. This is the heart rate monitor. Try it, although I'm not sure if it's gonna work because I'm not wearing the watch, but they say just put your finger in the crown ring. There you go. So it monitored my heart rate. Let's go back to the menu. So in the menu, you have the activities, the phone calls, the calendar, the breathe application. You just have to tap on back the crown ring and then your watch is set to your face. So we would want to fit in, see how it looks on my arms. Finding the correct hole, which will fit me. And there you go. The Apple Watch Series 4 Black Sport Aluminum. Thank you for watching, guys. Please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and see you on the next unboxing.